this is Joy and welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna bring you along. Let's go and explore the Khao Takiab Monkey Mountain at Khao Takiab, Nong Khai, Hua Hin district, Prachuap Khirikan, Thailand. Khao Takiab is also known as Chopstick Hill. It's a 270-meter high mountain which marks the southern end of Hua Hin Beach. The mountain is about 6 kilometers south of Hua Hin, and it features a magnificent golden-colored 20-meter high Buddha statue that overlooks the sea. Khao Takiab is a perfect place to stay as it's quieter than Hua Hin, and it features great sandy beach and numerous seaside restaurants. So if you are in Hua Hin, this is the top things to do. Visit Wat Khao Lad Temple. This temple can be found at the peak of Khao Takiab Hill, and it is popularly known as the Monkey Temple because of the numerous monkeys that can be found there. You can get to the top of the mountain either by taxi, motorbike, or tuk-tuk, or you can take a Grab also. And if you are seeking for adventure, you can option to walk the stairs, and you will be rewarded with magnificent views of Hua Hin, north of Khao Takiab during your hiking trip. On a clear day, you will also get to see as far as Takiab Beach.
So we're going to try to climb up all the way up again. Okay. A little bit more. So what do we have here? It's not much. So it's written in Thai, so I can't read it. The monkey's there. Hello, monkey. Hello. Look at this view. Well, look at this tree. Oh, look at that tree. Okay, what do we have here? Oh? Oh, I should come here when I went to the temple. Because this is... Oh? That is a temple that I saw the other day. I went on the temple.
So that's for today, and thank you for always watching my video, and please hit the subscribe button and like and share to help to grow my YouTube channel.